Noise. Modern society has a lot of noise. Leaf blowers, trucks, trains, and plane make enough noise to drive a poet insane.
God damn it!
Let's not forget about the pigs in the sky. Their incessant chop, chop, chopping around my neighborhood makes me want to cry. Why? An answer I'll try by and by. You see, I don't really get what we're doing. Rushing, bustling, droning, and kabooming. I get it's all about efficiency. But let me tell you, dear, the noise that comes along with that line doesn't sit with me well. So I guess I gotta tell the modern world to go to hell. No, I'm just kidding. I'm only ribbing. But I do wish we were sitting in an immense, peaceful forest with the sounds of birds chirping. Even with bears and wolves lurking, there'd be streams of water brooking. And don't forget the sounds of a fire. That's my desire, to listen to nature's choir over the ram bam, slam the dam cacophony of Policeman Sam and the other boys who love playing with their toys. They ain't a joy to me, see? So let a brother be. Okay, I know I complain a lot, but we live in a world where not enough people smoke pot. And if only they did, then we could collectively put a lid on that racket and just chill.